Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit drop-down menu list in PDF using Kofax Power PDF. First open your PDF from. Now I will edit this drop-down menu list. Firstly click this from option. Here you will find this combo box tools and this drop-down menu list already select and click right button for properties. Firstly I will change name. Drop down and this line is style. I'll choose dash and this color this and line thickness I choose thick and fill color even white and font size auto text color I'll choose here this pink color text font style Arial bold italic. Now click this option. Here I will delete this menu, this Japan delete, and I will add another menu. America and click add. This menu I have already add now and up this menu and now click close and click hand option. This Japan menu I will delete and United States add. Also you can increase decrease your menu list and move. Yeah, this is. And finally click this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.